In this video, I will show you how to send disappearing messages on Signal Private Messenger app. So first of all, go to your chats and then go to the chat where you want to send disappearing messages to, and then just go and click on the chat, then click on the profile at the top, so that's this profile, and then at the top you will see disappearing messages, and right now it is set to off. So when we want to enable this, and we're going to click on this, and then we can select the time that we want it to have to disappear. So let's say you want messages to even disappear within 5 minutes, then you can just go ahead and set it to this, or you can even add a custom time, so even seconds, minutes, days, just basically what you want. So let's say I want 10 seconds, then you're going to click on set, and once you are basically sending messages to this, profile now, then this will disappear in 10 seconds. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let's say you're typing hey, then you will see this timer as well, and then this will take 10 seconds to disappear. But as you can see, it has already been disappeared. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.